We'll guide you through how to configure your Namecheap email. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Namecheap website. Log into your account with your credentials. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard and locate the domain list on the left-hand menu. Find the domain you want to set up email for and click on Manage next to it. In the domain settings, click on the Advanced DNS tab. Here you need to add MX records to point your email to Namecheap's private email service. Click on Add New Record, select MX record from the dropdown, and enter the priority and mail server details as provided by Namecheap's email setup guide. Save the changes. Next, go to the Email Forwarding tab if you want to set up forwarding rules. Add any forwarding rules you need by entering the email address you want to forward from and the destination email address. Save these settings. After setting up the DNS records, go to your Namecheap email dashboard by selecting Private Email from the dashboard menu. Click on Manage next to your email plan and then select Mail Settings. Here, you can configure additional settings like autoresponders or filters if needed. If you're using an external email client like Outlook or Thunderbird, be sure to use the correct IMAP or POP3 settings provided by Namecheap to connect your email. Remember, DNS changes can take some time to propagate, so be patient if your email isn't working immediately. That's it, you're all set to use your Namecheap email. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.